In this video, we're going to use a linear equation that we already know that's been worked out for a pattern in a previous video in order to solve a problem where you're given one value and asked to find the other one. So let's take a look at this one. We're asked what figure number, which we know is represented by variable n, will contain 177 blocks, which is our variable b, and it's written down over here. To begin solving this problem, we're going to use substitution, and let's write out our equation that we already know, 2n plus 1. Okay, we're given the value of b, the number of blocks, so I substitute that into my equation. 177 is equal to 2n plus 1. Now, this type of problem is a little more challenging when the variable you're looking for is on one side of the equation and there's other pieces there like this plus 1. There's two steps to solving this problem. And in order to do that, I'm going to begin by undoing this addition of one block. So the opposite of adding one is subtraction. So I'm going to do that to both sides of my equation. 177 minus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other. What this leaves me with is 176 equals 2 times n, because plus 1 and minus 1, they cancel each other out. Well, what I have now is 2 times n equals 176. Well, what can I multiply by 2 to end up with 176? If you can't work that out in your head, the algebraic process you can use is to divide both sides of your equation by 2. So whatever number is being multiplied by n, you divide both sides by that number. And what happens is 2 divided by 2 will become 1, so they're essentially canceling each other out, leaving you with just the n variable left over. So if I rewrite this with a bit more space over here, I have 176 divided by 2 will give me 88, and that's going to be equal to n. So the figure number that has 177 blocks in it will be figure number 88. And if you wanted to, you could verify this by substituting the 88 back into your equation and making sure that the number of blocks works out to be the number you started with.